Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. In this video, we will be discussing about the power index. Well, if you remember, power index has seen a stellar rally between August to October or November, where the Tata Power was the one which has led a stellar rally from around 130, 135 levels to around 220, 230 levels. And since then, it has gone into the consolidation phase. First, let's look at the BSE Power Index constituents, the stocks which are there in the BSE Power Index. The stocks are NTPC, Tata Power, ABB, Adani Green, Torrent Power, Power Grid, BAIL, Adani Power, JSW Energy, Siemens, NHPC, and Adani Transmission. And if I look at the power index, basic power index, these are comprising of another four sectors. It is largely led by power, which holds around 59%, utilities, which hold around 16%, cap goods, which hold around 11%, and a few others, which hold around 14.5%. So if I look at the structure, again, the power holds the huge weightage over here, and I believe the power is really on a verge of fresh momentum being built up. Let's look at the first chart over here, which is the weekly chart of BSE Power Index. And if you look at the chart over here, prior to breaking out, it consolidated in the form of a rectangle structure for around 491 weeks. Again, being a weekly chart. And if I take it into the months, it's around 113 months of consolidation. And remember, 113 is a Fibonacci number. And when the price break out on a Fibonacci level, they tend to give a fast and furious rally. And that's exactly what we saw when it broke out in 2021, a stellar rally from around 2400 to about 3700 levels. Then it went into the consolidation. Does it mean that the rally has been fizzling out and it is an end of the momentum? I think no. Still a huge stem of momentum is left into the rally. And then let's look at the daily chart, which I generally use the top down approach, going from weekly back to the daily now. If you look at the daily chart over here, it's been consolidating in a form of triangle structure. If you look at the recent lows, which has held around 50 days exponential moving average, which is the lower band of the triangle, and it went on to the higher level. Now this consolidation is nearly, if I look at the trading days, it's around 59 trading days considering the today. And I believe generally the triangle breakout happens around 62 days plus minus 2-3 days over here and there. Because 62 is the Fibonacci number, where we say 61.8 the golden ratio. Considering the 62 as a fifth time structure, I believe sooner we might break out into the daily chart of BSE Power Index. And for next 2 to 3 months, this rally can continue. And that's the reason I believe that focus on the power index for this quarter, which is Q1 2022, Jan, Feb, March. And this can be the strong upside momentum. Now look at the lower panel, why I think that it is a time that it might break out. If you look at the MACD, which is moving average convergent divergence, the green bars, if you look at the histogram, has moved above the integer line, which is a sign of bullish momentum. Averages are now giving a positive crossover, which is again a bullish momentum. So I believe the price is breaking out of the triangle structure. Averages, the MACD is indicating a strong bullish trend. Prices have retested a 50-day exponential moving average and heading higher. Once it moves about 3700, the index, which is somewhere trading around 3645, 3650 levels, I see this momentum being going fast and furious towards the 4K level, which is again a 10% post the breakout, 9-10%. And on index, when it broke out around 9-10%, we might see a stocks being gaining a strong upside momentum. So keep a watch on this power index for this first quarter of 2022, and I believe there's a huge trading opportunity once the index break out around 3700. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia.